Hello everyone! Today I'll be doing an unboxing and bead haul from Pandahall. I'm so excited to share some of the beads and supply I received from them. They sent me these amazing products and I can wait to show you what's inside this package. Everything arrived safely and was very well packed. The quality looks great and each piece is neatly organized, making it easy to check and use right away. If you love making jewelry or DIY crafts, this is definitely a supplier you should know about. Pandahall is one of the largest jewelry findings and finished jewelry suppliers in China. With over 10 years of experience in global exports, they are trusted by jewelry designers and crafters all around the world. From jewelry findings to finished pieces, Pandahall makes it easier to turn your creative ideas into reality. If you're looking for a one-stop shop for all your jewelry making needs, Pandahall is absolutely worth checking out. I'll also show you how easy it is to shop and place an order on their website. Browsing is very convenient. You can find jewelry beads, jewelry findings, and finished jewelry all in one place. Their product categories include a wide variety of beads such as acrylic beads, gemstone beads, and glass beads. You can also find jewelry findings, jewelry and watches, beading supplies, stringing materials, DIY crafts, and so much more. I picked out my favorites, added them to my cart, and checked out easily. You can pay directly, use PayPal, or choose bank transfer, completely hassle-free. And if you're planning to order some of the products I got, I have a special discount just for you. Use my code YXYTAN at checkout to get 10% off your order at Pandahall. Now, let's get back to the video. That's it for today's unboxing and bead haul from Pandahall. I hope you enjoyed checking out these beads and jewelry supplies as much as I did. If you're looking for high quality and affordable materials for jewelry making or DIY crafts, definitely check out Pandahall. Don't forget to use my coupon code YXYTN to get 10% off your order. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more bead hauls, unboxings, and DIY content. I'll see you in my next video.